Hello, my name is Fee. I work for Birmingham Dogs Home, and today we're going to be putting on a yoga session to celebrate Pawsitivity Month. So I'd like to introduce you to my yoga instructor, Alicia.
Hello, guys.
Hi, Alicia. Thanks for doing this.
Yeah,
so what we're doing this month is we are celebrating the love of dogs, and particularly how they've helped us through these difficult times that we've been going through. So we've put together some yoga sessions for you, and we're calling it the Downward Dog Challenge. So whether you've been homeschooling, juggling work, whether you've been furloughed or looking after members of your family, this is something for you. So there are lots of physical and mental benefits of yoga. So this is about me time and looking after yourself. And Alicia's an amazing yoga instructor, and she's going to help us through this.
Thank you. So that's very lovely cause, and thank you, Fiona, for inviting me for this amazing project. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to do that. So you said how many days we're going to do that?
Well, people can challenge themselves. It can just be for fun, or they can get sponsored. And the challenge we're suggesting is 30 days of yoga. So a yoga session every day for 30 days.
Fantastic. That's great. Challenge, because we're going to do yoga every day. So I'm going to prepare every day for different part of your body. We're going to do down dog, up dog, of course, as the name for this project needs to be there. But I don't want to, guys, especially if you be people who've never done yoga before, to just try too much. So don't worry, the name challenge could be, a little bit apprehensive, but believe me, I will prepare every day slightly different, so you're not going to overwork with your muscles, overtrain your body in this 30 days of the challenge.
Perfect. Sounds great. Okay, and my particular challenge is that I've got my dogs with me, and they might want to join in, so that'll be fun as well.
Oh, that's fantastic. Can you see your dog?
Okay, they're just sleeping next to me, but as soon as I start trying to do yoga, they'll join in, because they usually do.
That's fantastic. Okay, we're ready to start.
Okay.
All right, so first place your feet with your hips width apart, position nice and tall, and you can lift your arms as high as you can to lengthen your spine, and when you exhale, so you relax your shoulders. Inhale, reaching up, and slowly exhale, just relax. And a few more, link with your breath. Deep breath in, and slowly out. And maybe one more, inhale, and slowly exhale. Okay, so now let's roll your shoulders backward first. So just mobilize your shoulders. Start to warm your muscles in your upper body, shoulder, chest, your arms. Nice way to start your day. And now let's forward. Going to feel nice stretching your upper back. Controlling your breaths all the time. Deep breath in and slowly out. Okay, again, both arms up. And now exhale, with your arms to you. And inhale, to pull your shoulders back, squeeze your shoulder blades, and exhale, hands together. And again, lift high, exhale, front of you, bring to your side, squeezing shoulder blades, and exhale, hands together. And now lift your arms, and now you exhale, slowly bend your knees, fold forward, place your hands on the floor, and step back. Bring your knees on the floor. So now tuck those under, arch your back, look up. When you exhale, make the movement from your hips. And tuck under to stretch your lower back. And a few more with your arm rest. Really try to make the movement from your pelvis to start to mobilize your lower back right now. So slowly bring all your muscles. Nice, good stretching. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And now take those under. Lift your knees and hips high. And slowly let's go back down. Inhale on the floor. As you exhale, try to move your hips up and down to position to stretch all your muscles, your arms, chest, shoulders, lengthen spine, nice stretch for your lower back, back of your legs, side position, more for good strength in your upper body as well. A few times like in preparation or more down dog in this challenge. Day by day, I'm going to add more. So you're slowly building up the strength and flexibility in your body. Just one more. And slowly on 4. And move to side pose. So if you really tighten your lower back, your hips, you can hold your hips higher. You can rock side to side. Or if you're fine, completely sitting on your feet. Side to side works really well for stiff muscles in your neck, in your hips and your lower back. Just control your head position. Use the muscles in your neck. So try to look down instead of dropping head too low. How are you doing, Fiona?
Good.
Okay. So now on your 4, you need to place your right foot forward, squeezing loose. Oh, there you go. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. So really try to feel the stretch in your upper body. Really open your chest for deeper, better breaths. Deliver more oxygen into your body, into your cells. And one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay, try. Left leg forward. Inhale, up. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Maybe 2 more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Exhale 4. Going down the position again. This time you just hold this position and march the spot. So you're just stretching back of your legs, your hamstrings, arms. Don't worry your heels off the floor. Start your knees bent. Try to hold your head between your arms. Just a few times. And slowly go back on your floor. Now place your forearms front to you. Checking your hips position. Try to keep your pelvis tucked under. Got your spine nice and round. And try to rock your body back and forth. Inhale and exhale. Another great stretch for your back, upper and lower, glutes. Stretching your chest. For 5 minutes every day. Really well. Your body and your mind as well. Make the breaths always. That's a good combination. Okay. And now let's lay down. Now you need to squeeze your buttocks muscles nice and strong. Place your hands to your shoulders level, but start wider. Try wider than your shoulders apart. And you're trying to lift your chest, holding your belly and your hips on the floor. Slowly exhale down. Check how's your lower back condition, your spine. Don't have to be really high, maybe just a few inches as a start, which is good. Inhale. Slowly exhale. This is our preparation for abdominal position. As you progress with the mobility in your spine, more flexibility in your lower back, we will reach the abdominal position one day in this challenge. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay, then bring your forearms. Press your knees to the floor to lift your hips. And back to the child pose again. Remember, you can keep your hips higher, lower, all depends how you're feeling the stretch right now. Please remember, yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. That's why I need some adaptations. And now try to stretch your left arm from the bone. If you're ready for deeper stretch, shoulder, chest, try to push your shoulder down so you feel deeper stretch. So you're controlling how far you'd like to stretch your left side. Again, controlling your head, not too low. Deep breath in, slowly out. And change for your right. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Deep breath in. And slowly out. Right. Now, change position. So lie down on your back. First on your forearms. Bring your legs close to you and slowly start to roll your spine on the floor. So using this position of your arms to support the lower back. And now let's rock your hips side to side. Relax your upper body, neck, shoulders. Good breaths. And let's do just one exercise to strengthen your core, your abdominal muscles. Grab your left knee and pull close to you. Drive it up. Don't worry if you're feeling stretching already to be bent. That's okay. If someone is more flexible, leg gonna be completely straight, but that's okay. And now you're trying to lower your right leg. Just at the moment, you're holding lower back on the floor, which means you're engaging your abs, the muscles in your core at the front active. Okay? This is a very safe way to work strong muscles in your abs without causing any strain to your neck or your lower back area. The other exercise for core, laying down flat on the back. Inhale, as moving forward out. Exhale, slowly bring forward. Up again. In. And slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Okay, change the side, right, left leg up. And again, bring your attention more on your hips, lower back position, down forward, left side. Check how's your upper body, bring any tension in your shoulders, on your neck. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And one more. Okay, cross legs again. And rock side to side. Right, release tension in your lower back, stretch the hips, and your buttocks area. And now, press your legs, give yourself a good stretch, all the muscles from fingers to your toes. From your heels to your fingers, nice stretch. And now arms by side. Bring your feet again on the floor, very slowly. Roll over one side first. And try to remember this movement every day in the morning to start your day with lower back, happy and healthy. Okay, cross legs, give arms up. And slowly exhale, just relax. Maybe one more. Slow, yes. Okay. Oh yeah. I can see a duck is awake now.
That was good, thank you. Got a bit of dog activity as well there.
Yes, I've seen that. Yes, good. I was interested what's going on.
They do naturally do upward dog and downward dog.
Yeah.
Every morning, stretching out.
Exactly. We're going to try in the same way to start
Perfect.
the day.
Hope you enjoyed that, everybody. Thank you for joining in the Birmingham Dogs Home Downward Dog Challenge for Pawsitivity Month. Thank you very much, Alicia. We'll see you soon. Bye from Sunny. Bye.
Yeah, bye Fiona. Have a nice day. See you next time. Oh, that's so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye Fiona.